Hello everyone, what's up? I'm Isaac. Today we're going to check out a brand new idea that I just had, a series that you guys are going to love. Here's my plan. I'm going to build an entire city on this 48 by 48 gray base plate. This is going to be a weekly kind of thing where we're going to build a little section of the city each week, and you guys will be able to comment below and give me suggestions and ideas. Now, I've never had one of these before, but they have a lot of studs. And they're a little bit expensive for only one piece, but they're super big and they're awesome. So I'm going to open this up. As you can see, it's brand new. It hasn't been opened at all. So we're going to open it up and I'm going to show you my ideas for the design that I have so far. So my plan for the city so far is to have a railroad track running through the center here, and perpendicular to that a road to make a sort of cross shape. And then in the 4 blocks created by those lines, I'll have plenty of buildings, shops on the first floor and apartments on the second floor. And then I'll leave a little bit of a space on one edge for some water and docks and a few boats. We won't have a lot of space, but definitely a few boats. This is sort of a challenge I'm giving myself because I have to build a whole city on this one base plate. It is a big base plate, but the city's usually pretty big. So I'm going to have to challenge myself to get a lot of detail, as much as I can, into this one base plate. This is going to be fun, and I hope to see you in the next video where we'll work on the roads and the railroad tracks. See you then. Bye.